This is what I call my vegetable lentil soup.
Smells good.
I like my lentil soup savory. I usually just add carrots and onions and celery, parsnips, spinach.
How long is it going to cook for?
I put the cover on because I want the steam to help cook those vegetables, because I want the vegetables to get nice and soft and tender before we put the liquids in.
What is that?
It's 4.5 cups of vegetable broth and 2 cups of water.
How come you're putting that in?
Well, that's going to make the soup. That's the liquid. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to put in the dry lentils that I rinsed under cold water. We're going to raise the heat because I want to bring it to a rapid boil, because it helps to break up the lentils and get them soft. And they'll be nice and tender. I'm going to put the lid on. See how the lentils are starting to get tender?
Nice.
Stir it a couple of times and let it continue to rapidly boil for about another 5 minutes.
It smells good.
I just want the vegetables to cook a little bit more, and we don't have to keep it on a rapid boil because the lentils are nice and tender. And at this point, I'm going to add some seasoning. Thyme, sage, red pepper flakes. I like to give it a little bit of hotness to it. And your salt and black pepper. I'm also going to add 1 cup of chopped fresh spinach, and there's a little bit of kale in there. And then we're going to cover the pot and let it cook for maybe like another 10 minutes. It smells delicious.
It smells really good.
Yeah, it looks good. What I did today is I chopped up some of the celery leaves, the nice tender leaves, and I'm going to add them to the soup. Manja.